If you are looking for a productivity app to manage tasks, projects, reminders, and daily planning, you have probably heard about Todoist. But with the so many task management apps available in 2026, is Todoist still the best option? In this video, I'll cover Todoist features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's actually worth using today. What is Todoist? Todoist is a task and productivity app designed for individuals, students, freelancers, and teams. It helps you organize tasks, set reminders, create projects, and track productivity across devices. It works on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and even directly inside browsers. One reason Todoist became so popular is its clean and simple interface. Unlike some complicated productivity apps, it's very easy to start using immediately. Main features: quick task creation. One of Todoist's best features is natural language input. For example, you can type submit video script tomorrow at 5 p.m. and Todoist automatically creates the reminder with the correct date and time. This makes adding tasks extremely fast. Projects and sections. You can organize tasks into projects and sections. For example, YouTube content, work, personal, study. Inside each project, you can create subtasks, priorities, deadlines, and labels. This is useful for managing both simple daily tasks and larger projects. Recurring tasks. Todoist handles recurring tasks very well. You can create reminders like every Monday, every 2 weeks, daily at 8 a.m. This is great for routines, habits, workouts, or content schedules. Cross platform sync. Your tasks sync instantly across all devices. You can add a task on your phone and continue working on it later on your laptop. The app is also lightweight and runs smoothly on most devices. Collaboration features. You can invite other people into projects, assign tasks, and leave comments. It is not as advanced as full project management platforms like Asana, Trello, ClickUp, but for smaller teams, it works well. Pros: simple and easy to use. This is probably Todoist's biggest strength. The interface is clean, fast, and beginner friendly. Excellent mobile experience. The mobile app is one of the best productivity apps available right now. Adding tasks is very quick and notifications are reliable. Great for personal productivity. Todoist is excellent for daily planning, habit tracking, study schedules, freelance work, content creation workflows. Strong integrations. Todoist integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Slack, Gmail, Zapier. This makes automation much easier. Cons. Of course, as we all know, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides and disadvantages. Number one, we have limited free plan. The free version is usable, but some important features are locked behind the Pro plan. For example, advanced reminders, calendar layouts, more collaboration tools. Not ideal for complex team management. If you manage large teams or advanced workflows, Todoist may feel too simple. Platforms like ClickUp, Monday.com, Notion offer more advanced project management features. Customization is limited. Compared to apps like Notion, Todoist doesn't offer deep customization or database style organization. It focuses more on speed and simplicity. Pricing. Todoist offers a free plan, pro plan, business plan. For most people, the free or pro plan is enough. The pro version is worth considering if you heavily rely on reminders, productivity tracking, or advanced organization. You can check current pricing on the official website. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Todoist the best productivity app for personal task management and simple organization? Honestly, it is one of the best options available. It is fast, clean, easy to learn, and works well across all devices. However, if you need highly customizable and highly advanced project management or heavy customization, apps like Notion or ClickUp may fit better. Overall, Todoist is better for people who want simplicity, speed, reliable reminders, easy task organization without dealing with complicated setups. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos for videos like this. Share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.